So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a segment in Strava app. So first of all, once you've downloaded Strava, you can see it looking something like this. Open it up and then log in. Now through here you can see at the bottom maps, record, groups, and you. Now from here you can just go to you and you can see some activities that you've added. On here, if you click on an activity, you will see some more information about it, and you can see some insights and so on. You can even start a free trial so you can get more information on those runs. You can see add media, add activity, and so on. Now, the app is a bit limited, so I suggest for creating routes and segments that you use the web version, which I did right here. I logged in on strava.com using my email and password as I did in the app. And on here, go to the dashboard, which will be these three lines in the top right corner. So through here, you can see activity feeds, clubs, segments, routes. So you can go to my segments. After that loads, you can see here on map, the starred segments, created segments, hidden segments, and many more. So on here, in order to create your own segment, and if it's not popping up on editing your activity, you just need to maybe do more of that activity, but it should pop up on here. And from there, you can create a segment of that run, hike, or biking tour you created. So that's about it. It's usually done through the web version. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Strava or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.